I want to share a simple yet effective side hustle that can start making you money from day one. Imagine being able to earn cash without needing to invest a ton of time or resources. Sounds good, right? Let's dive in. The side hustle I'm talking about is flipping items. It's straightforward and can be done by anyone, regardless of experience. The first step is to identify items that are undervalued. You can find these treasures at garage sales, thrift stores, or even online marketplaces like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Look for items that are in good condition. Think furniture, electronics, collectibles, or even vintage clothing. Once you've found a few items, do a quick search online to see what similar items are selling for. This will give you a good idea of their market value. The goal here is to buy low and sell high. For example, if you find a vintage lamp at a garage sale for $10 and see similar lamps selling for $50 online, you've already identified a potential profit margin. Next, take high-quality photos of your items. Good lighting and clear images can make a huge difference in attracting buyers. Write engaging descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of the item. Be honest about its condition, but also emphasize what makes it special. If it's a vintage piece, share a bit of its history. This adds value and can justify a higher price. Now, where do you sell these items? Online platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Mercury are great options. Each platform has its own audience, so choose the one that fits your items best. For local sales, consider using Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. These platforms allow you to connect with buyers in your area, which means you can avoid shipping costs and meet face-to-face. Once you've listed your items, be responsive to inquiries. Quick communication can make the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. If someone shows interest, don't hesitate to negotiate. Many buyers expect to haggle, so be prepared to lower your price a bit while still ensuring you make a profit. As you gain experience, you'll start to develop an eye for what sells well. You might even want to expand your search to estate sales or auctions, where you can find unique items that can fetch a higher price. The key is to stay consistent and keep reinvesting your profits into new items to flip. One of the best parts about this side hustle is that it's flexible. You can do it on your own schedule, and you can start with just a few dollars. Plus, it's a great way to declutter your home while making some extra cash. So, if you're looking for a way to make money from day one, consider flipping items. It's a fun and rewarding hustle that can turn your spare time into profit. Just remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting those hidden gems. Happy flipping!